Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the nil value. Find the exact variable and line causing the error, then confirm whether it should be a table, string, or function. Once you know the symbol, inspect the code path that assigns it, look at function returns, optional parameters, and API responses. Make sure to add immediate defensive checks so the program won't index nil. For example, guard with if var and type. var == table before indexing. This prevents crashes and clarifies next steps. Once the culprit is clear, implement concrete fixes. Add guards before indexing and provide safe defaults such as local obj = var or. Validate return values from functions and APIs, returning early or raising informative errors when nil appears. Insert targeted logging or assertions so you can see actual runtime values and call contexts, which helps when the bug is intermittent. Make sure to keep changes minimal and reversible so you can test behavior incrementally and avoid introducing regressions. Finish by running tests and reproducing the scenario end-to-end. Simulate missing inputs and external failures to confirm your guards work. If you find many guards cluttering call sites, refactor to centralize validation or return stable types, empty tables, from constructors. Deploy the change to a staging environment and watch logs for new occurrences. If something still breaks, include a troubleshooting tip. Capture the call stack and input snapshots immediately before the offender.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.